Hello, my beautiful fans. Welcome to Hello Beauty. This is Emily. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here, you just gained a new best friend. If you have been here, welcome back. I hope you don't get tired of me saying that. Today, I'm doing a simple liner and lash application, easy as 1, 2, 3, okay? Because some of us need to know how to just do a simple winged liner and put on a simple lash so that we can go out on our day. You know what I mean? We're gonna start with the AOA Studio 3D Faux Mink lashes. They are named Emily after me. And then I'm also going to be using my Maybelline Hyper Easy felt tip liner. This stuff is amazing. I recommend you try it out for yourself. If you have not already tried it out for yourself, please go check out my review video of this product specifically right here. And that way you can see me try it out for myself. But I'm gonna show you guys simple liner and lash tutorial. Here we go. Woo! I do have on some bronzer and some Fenty Beauty highlighter. Check out that pop. Disregard that. I have nothing else on my eyes. I do have a little gel on my lashes, just a little, you know, spice them up a little bit. I do have my brows done as well, but again, nothing on my eyelids. So we're starting fresh with my liner right here. Now we're going to do the wing. Now this is all dependent on your preference on how thick you want your liner. You can go back in and make your liner thicker, which I'm probably gonna do that because I am a thicker liner girl. If you want your wing to be more slanted and up, try to follow where your eyebrow is and go the angle where your brow is. If you want it to be more out and straight, just follow your lower lid right here and draw a triangle and connect it right there. I honestly recommend doing the tape trick because I think that's an easier template to follow when you're practicing wings. And you can also put how slanted you want your wing. So if you want it more up like that or out like that, I'm gonna do mine more out like that, just because I'm really trying to experiment with more wings that are better for my eye shape because different eye shapes look better with certain wings, I believe. I will study more into that. I'll kind of show you how much easier it is to apply your wing with tape, and also when you take it off, it's just a sleeker look, and you can touch it up with a concealer a lot easier as well. So now that you have completed your wings, you can slowly peel it off. Look how sleek it came out to be. You can see I have this a little bit thicker than this side, so I'm gonna go and try to make those even. The tape does help a lot, but there's still obviously areas that I need to fix, which I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do the lash application. After you have perfected your wing with either concealer, a Q-tip, liner, etc., I am a perfectionist and I will sit here for hours and make sure that my wings are symmetrical. Literally. But once you're done with that, you're going to grab your tweezers, your lashes, and your lash glue. I recommend the Eylure London Lash Glue. This stuff is amazing. It tops all of the other glues. Kiss Lash Glue, which I haven't tried yet, but the Ardell Duo Glue, like this one is so good, so I recommend buying this one. I already actually put lash glue on the lash because I was sitting here doing it, and then I was like, oh my god, I'm not even recording. But you're gonna take your wand and put some lash glue on your lash band and make sure you cover it pretty well. Dependent on the lash glue color is dependent on what it will turn when it dries. So this one's like a translucent iridescent color, and it's gonna dry clear whenever it's done. So I would wait about like 10 to 15 seconds for it to dry. You can blow on it, put it near an air vent, you know, whatever, put it in front of a fan. Okay, top it off with some Bad Gal Bang mascara, just to give it that extra oomph, and so that we can blend our natural lashes with the fake ones. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let's add some Juvia's gloss here to finish it off. Oh. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That is how you do a simple eyeliner, wing, and lash tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that it lets me know that you liked my video. And also, please don't forget to click that subscribe button because subscribing is free and we all like free things in this world. Am I right? Please don't forget to turn on those post notifications as well so that every time I post, you get a notification, you get a ding ding ding, and you know I'm posting. And you don't want to miss the next one because come on guys. You need me if you're gonna wear makeup for the rest of your life. Stay cute, stay you, stay beautiful, and we'll see you in my next one.